Welcome to Steinway Lyngdorf at ISE 2020. Here we show our classic Model D speaker, which has been in production for 13 years now, our Model B, which has been in production for 2 years, and our almost brand new Model O, which has been in production for 1 year. All of these products are driven by our own electronics, fully digital amplification, our own digital communication systems, can be used in multi-channel and stereo configurations. The Model B is a dipole, which means it has no cabinet. It has 6 12-inch woofers and is driven by 4 separate D to A converters, all digitally controlled with time alignment, frequency phase alignment, and room perfect on top of everything. With these products we are using all the time our multi-channel processor, and this can be daisy chains to handle up to 48 native channels and more than 700 speaker channels. All controlled by our software with digital communication via Cat6 and a lot of novel technologies in bass management. It handles all the surround formats. Our website for Steinway Lyngdorf is the name Steinway as the piano and Lyngdorf.com. You're welcome to visit us there.